Hey guys, welcome to Dirttime. Alan Halcon here. I know you guys are surprised to see me, right? Well, I know it's been about 7 or 8 years since the last I posted, and a lot of things have changed. Gray hairs for one. But anyway, the reason I'm here is because I'm the bearer of some great news. I think it's going to be great anyway. We are bringing the channel back. That's right, we are bringing the channel back, and we're bringing back the content that we're used to bringing, but we're also going to expand a little bit. We're going to include backpacking, hiking, camping, cooking in the outdoors, and maybe even cooking, well, here in my kitchen potentially. Anyway, look for our first video to drop sometime about Wednesday or Thursday of next week. We are actually going to go out on Monday to go shoot and hopefully get some great content for you guys. But yeah, right around Wednesday or Thursday is when the video will drop, and then moving forward, about right now we're thinking about once a week. Anyway, we're glad to be back, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the trail.